Okay everyone, so today we're going to do a little shape activity and we're going to talk about different shapes that we see everywhere we go. But before we do, I want you to tell me, raise your hand and let me know one shape that you can think of. Okay, those were awesome shapes. We listed circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval. Those were all awesome. So did you know that there are shapes all over our classroom? We see shapes everywhere we go. I'm going to show you a few shapes, objects that I found that are actually shapes that we just talked about. I found these right here in our classroom. The first one I found was a little book. What shape is this? This is a square, that's right. Next I found this puzzle. This puzzle is in the shape of what? A rectangle. I also found a little Play-Doh cutout, and it is in the shape of a circle. So those were just a few objects that I found in our classroom that are in the shapes that we just talked about. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to partner you up, and I'm going to give each partner group a set of these cards. This one is circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and oval. So each partner group will get these, and you'll go put them on your desk, lay them out nicely so you can see them all, and go and I'll set a timer for 15 minutes. I'll set it right here, and when the 15 minutes is up, you will come back and we will talk about all the shapes that you have found. So each group needs one of these packets, and if you need, I can give out these too. This you can carry around with you to make sure you know which ones you're looking for. And you're looking for 3 of each shape. So you need 3 objects on here that are a circle, 3 objects that are a square. For every shape you need 3. Okay. So I want everyone to go to their desks, lay their papers out, and go start searching. I'm setting the timer now. Okay, time is up. I want everybody to come back to your desks and count your shapes. I'm going to come around and check how many you got. Okay, now that I've counted everyone's shapes, I want you to share around your table group what objects you found for which shapes. So go around and share your objects that you found with your group. Okay, now that everybody's got a chance to share with their groups, I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes, and you're going to go return all of the objects you found back to their homes. Timer is starting now. Alrighty, now I want everyone to come join me at your carpet spot. And I'm going to go around, and I want everyone to, if you want to share, raise your hand to tell me one of the objects that you found. So a lot of our friends found books as squares and rectangles. We had both. That's what I brought earlier, was a book. I saw a friend bring this little toy, and this is in the shape of a rectangle. And I had another one bring a little pencil pouch that is also the shape of a rectangle. So now that we found all these objects, we can see that there are shapes all over our classroom and all around us every day, wherever we are. We need to look for them and see where they are. So tonight, when you go home, I want everyone to look for shapes and come back tomorrow and tell me what shapes you found.